Serbian folk dance. This folk dance is all about aims and celebration. People join hands or link arms, forming a circle or dance, and move to the beat of energetic music. The steps are easy to learn, but dancers can add their own flair as they get comfortable. The focus is on having fun and connecting with others. Kolo is a staple in Serbian weddings, festivals, and social gatherings. It's a beautiful way to experience